Hey you guys, Sylwia here and welcome to my Vidko review. So here I am right inside of Vidko software, and this is the newest launch by Todd Gross and Cyril Gupta. Okay, both of them are quite well known in the internet marketing world. Most of the time they launch on JVZoo. This is a JVZoo launch, okay? It went live yesterday. Yesterday was the 20th of March. So I have put together a written review for you guys to check it out, all of the prices. So these are the vendors. This is Todd, that's Cyril. So this software, which is a video making software, you can create videos from text or image. So image to video or text to video. I'll demonstrate for you how it works. As you can see, I've created a few videos. So this is the dashboard. Hold on, this is the dashboard here. So that's Cyril, and we have, hold on, we've got the training video, which is about just 10 minutes long video. Okay, it's actually not here. What you can see here are all of the newest, the latest video generating AI software platforms, which you will get access to via this platform. And how you're gonna use them, I'll go into that, but I want to show you the tutorial you also have. There's not many tutorials, there's just one demo, which is about 10 minutes long, done by Cyril, so one of the vendors, 10 minutes video. He goes through the process of creating the videos and what ways of monetizing, of making money with this product you will also have. So here I have access to the front end offer of the products. I only have reseller rights, or I can manage users. So what I could do, I could add sub accounts, okay, to this software, to this platform, and allow people to use it and charge them for it. But also I have reseller rights. So what I can also offer my sub accounts is for them to resell this platform as their own, not as their own as white label rights, but to keep 100% profits. A white label is your rights to also, you get the code for the software as well, so you can host it wherever you want. You can totally change it up, customize it, rebrand it, and all of that. But, you know, white label rights will come with the bundle deal. So again, before I show you the software, before I demonstrate how it works, I just want to point out to you that you have here down below in the description box my written review and all of the information, okay, to do with the funnel. I broke it down into what exactly you will get with all of the upsells, every single of them, and also with the bundle deal. So go through that. Also, you're getting some bonuses if you pick up via the link below my review. Alright guys, I mean the apps, okay, but the bonuses are also very congruent with this offer, all to do with video transitions, royal-free stock images that you can use to generate all kinds of videos, okay, video effects and transitions, and also stock video footages. So all to do with video creation. Now let's get to it and let me show you how to create a video from text. But let me show you what I have in the gallery. So this one, okay, very cool. This one has been already generated, but I'll show you the previous ones I created. So look at this one. I wanted an elephant in a ballerina dress jumping on clouds. So check this one out. This is and I wanted a cartoon style as well. So, plus I wanted only 5 seconds long video. This one was generated from my image, okay? So this was my picture, what you see here, and look how it turned that into a video. Okay. Right, but you can be very precise with the description, okay? As to what kind of video you want exactly. So here I asked for a lion. I think this one was created from text to video. So let's see, I haven't seen this one yet. So you can download it from here. You can view and you can delete. And from here we have more options, playback, speed, and picture in picture. Okay. So let's download this one. So let's open this one up and see what we have, okay, this is a tragedy, okay? You see, this is the thing with AI, and it's good that you guys see it, for what it is. Unfortunately, the AI isn't quite there yet when it comes to video generation. Sometimes it does quite a good job. On other occasions, it just doesn't. And if you decide to buy the software, sometimes you will need to give it a few shots until you get the effect you like. And here is generating another video. Okay, it takes a bit of time, to be honest with you, to generate videos. It will, of course, depend on your internet speed, but my internet is good, so maybe it's the software. But, as per usual, I intend to keep it raw and real, so you see what you have. Exactly. So, here we are creating a video from text. Okay, so text to video, and below you will have all the AI, video generating AI tools you will have access to. Before I also generate the video, show you how to do it, okay? You will have a chance, you will get some credits depending on which offer you get, whether it's just the front end or the bundle deal, you will have a limited number of credits, but what's also good, if you go to settings, you will be able to connect your API key. So get API, and it's gonna take you to this platform called Replicate. And from there you can get your API, and this way it is way more affordable as opposed to getting the credits from the vendors. Okay, so again, let's go to this feature, text to video. And what do we want? Let's go again with the lion. So I said a lion attacking a herd of zebras. Not that I would like to see that, but let's see what we're gonna get. Select this one, enhance prompt by AI. And this way you don't have to make the prompt very descriptive, okay? AI will create the prompt for you. So it's up to you. I would say take this one off if you know exactly what you want. You want to be fully in charge of what kind of video is going to be generated, okay? So it's up to you, but for now I'll just take this one, enhance prompt by AI, and then let me see what video generating platform I want. Maybe this one, Clink, and AI model designed for realistic video rendering, realistic videos, okay? All of the AI platforms here, video making platforms that you have here access to, are described, what they're all about, what kind of videos they generate, and you also can see how many credits you're gonna be charged per video. So hold on, let me just select the Clink 1.6, and here you choose the aspect ratio, so it's either horizontal or vertical. I don't know why the shape of it is the same. They both look horizontal to me, but hold on, this one is vertical, right? I'm not mistaken. Duration, so it's either 5 or 10 seconds. So let me click on 5. So hopefully it will render the video faster. And as you can see, you've got the prompt here. So I like it that the AI generated the prompt, but you also have a chance to edit the prompt. If there is something you want to remove or you want to add to it, you can, okay? And then just click on update and voila. As you can see, credits used, so 500 credits, submit for generation. It says that it will send you an email as soon as it's ready, but it's not really sending those emails, to be honest with you. I mean, I haven't received any emails. Maybe they will update that. Maybe they'll change that. I don't know. But if we go to gallery, we will see that this video is being rendered. Okay. So it's not ready yet. Okay. So in the meantime, while it's generating the videos, I'm going to also show you how to create videos from image. So image to video. So we need to get a picture. So maybe let me get this lion I got from this platform, Pixabay. Here you have copyright-free pictures and videos you can get from, right? I'm sure you know this platform. So we've got the image here, and describe the video you wish to generate. So I said a lion sleeping outside a den. And again, I'm gonna choose for this to be enhanced by AI. Let me just pick one of the video making platforms. This one may be Dream Machine this time. Okay, the next step is to select the aspect ratio. We've got quite a few to choose from. Let me create a square one. Duration 9 seconds. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's stick to 5 seconds. And the prompt is as you see. Again, we can edit the prompt, add to it, remove words, sentences from it. Okay, it's up to you. And then submit for generation. Okay, it's rendering the video. In the meantime, we can go to gallery and check if some of the videos have been already generated, if any of the videos have been already generated. Okay, so not quite yet. They are still rendering. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back to you once the videos are ready. And maybe in the meantime, let me just tell you that if you want to check out the offer through my written review, you click buy now or any of the so-called call to action buttons. Click through them and you will be redirected to the sales page. As you can see, you will have right at the bottom 2 options, okay, to pick from. So I've adjusted the front end, which is only $17. You get up to 100 accounts, sub-accounts, some credits to start with. Not many credits, okay, not many credits. I would suggest you connect your replicate API key because you do have the replicate integration available. So do that. That's going to be more affordable for you. You have all features unlocked, free support. Okay. And the other one, which is 368, is the bundle deal. So you have agency license unlimited, reseller license unlimited, white label license, more trial credits to use. You also get reseller rights to Tube, Rank, Jeet. It's another software. And also Live Custer Reseller. I don't know the software, to be honest with you, but it's just another software you get reseller rights to. Okay, guys, so that's that. Alright, so it seems like we've got some videos ready. I think this lion attacking a herd of zebras is ready. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, again, very short one, only 5 seconds, because that's what I selected. And I believe here's a lion that is supposed to be sitting outside of his den. So let's see this one. Okay, well, cool. Okay, I must say I like these ones. This one is still generating, but I'm not gonna wait for this one, to be honest with you. This one is spooky. It's something else. But again, I'm gonna delete this one because this is AI for you. Like, sometimes you just get nonsense, and that's what it is. So again, it would be much more affordable for you if you connected your own API from that platform called Replicate, I believe. And this way, it's not gonna cost you as much as it would if you were to purchase the credits from the vendors, because you can do it this way too. Right, guys, so well, that's that. That's Vidko. That's how it works. Very simple to use. There are a few ways to make money with it. You can add sub-accounts. You can allow people to use the software. You can allow them to resell the software. You can even get with the bundle deal, you can get the white label rights. So you can totally customize it, change it up, edit, rebrand it, and sell it as your own. You're the owner then. Okay. So guys, check out my written review. If that's for you, pick it up. It is a JVZoo launch. Whichever option is for you, pick that one up. Okay, ciao guys. See you very soon.